Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering documents, V5C, proof of entitlement, and ID. Begin the online application now so you don't lose your reference number. Once done, enter vehicle details exactly as on the logbook. Mismatches delay processing. Make sure payment card and a clear image of the old plate are ready because the service validates ownership and condition. This step initiates retention or transfer. You'll get a confirmation reference, which you must save for the next stage. Now you decide retain versus transfer and complete the required forms. This is where accuracy matters. You fill the retention form or V317 online and pay the fee. Incorrect details create rejections and wasted time. Once payment clears, the authority processes the request and sends confirmation by email or letter. Save it. If transferring to another vehicle, supply that vehicle's V5C details and the recipient's information so the system can update records. Finish by checking the retention certificate or updated V5C for exact spelling and dates. Errors here are costly. Order physical plates from an authorized supplier using the certificate number. They will require proof on delivery. Once plates arrive, fit them securely and ensure they meet legal size and spacing rules. If something goes wrong, missing documents, payment issues, or incorrect records, contact the issuing authority with your reference, receipts, and photos. Escalation with clear evidence usually resolves administrative mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.